So I just logged into Bookshare under your information. Obviously you can see it says your name. Down here it shows the book for you to read. You can go ahead and go to Read Now, and it should load the book. If you click this button up here, it'll open up this table of contents. Oops. So you can skip through an introduction of the novel, or you can go to a summary of each section. So that's probably the best place to start. So once you go to the summary of part 1, you would click this button up here. It says play, and it's going to read it to you, and it's going to light up to read to you. Okay, so that's how you use it. So again, you can go to this table of contents. You can skip. You can read about part 1, part 2, part 3. You can look at each of the characters. You can look at the major themes of the novel. You can quiz yourself if you want, but that's how you use Bookshare. So again, you sign in, go to the book, and just click on Read Now in order to access the table of contents for this book. All right.